Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are doing well. So, welcome to my YouTube channel again. Today my topic is English. Why need to why need to learn speak English? Why necessary English? Why we should learn speak English? So I want to explain you guys. Guys, if you if you talk about native language, if you talk about local language is very good. I love local language. But guys, suppose that you have a big achievement, you have a big goal. So that level you need to speak English. Suppose that I'm giving for example today. Suppose that you are doctor, you are want become a big doctor, MD doctor, MBBS doctor. So without English, how can become a doctor? I'm not talking about Jhola Chhap doctor. Okay, I'm talking about big doctor. So if you have big achievement, if you want to become a big doctor, so without English, you can't become a big doctor. That's why their English is important, most important. If you want to become a Jhola Chhap doctor, it is okay. No need to learn speak English. Okay. So guys, same. I am giving second example. If you are player, suppose that you are playing village area, you are playing city area, you are playing state level. Suppose that no need to talk English. There, you can talk native language. Okay, you can talk local language. But if you want to become a national player as a India level, so their English is much important because you have to go sometime abroad. So abroad people don't know out of country you can't speak Hindi, you can't speak Gujarati, Marathi, Malayalam. Their English is much important. So if you want to become a big player, without English you can't become a big player. English is much important. uh, I am talking about profession life. If you, I am not against native language. I am not against local language. But if you talk about profession life, if you have big achievement, English is much important. Without English, you can't achieve a big goal. Suppose that you are celebrity, you can see big celebrity. Ajay Dogan, Amitabh Bachchan, Amir Khan, Salman Khan. Everyone knows English. Without English, you can't become a big celebrity. If you talk about local, if you are singer, local singer, it is okay. But if you want to become a big singer, without English, you can't become a big singer. I am talking about job. Okay, you should listen carefully. If you want 30,000, if you want 35,000, if you want 40,000, you can talk native language. But if you want handsome salary, if you want a smart salary, more than 1 lakh, without English, you can't take one more than 1 lakh. You have to learn English. Then you can take 1 lakh, 150, 140, depend on your ability. But if you want to talk native language, so you can't get 1 lakh rupees. Okay. If you learned speak English, you can achieve big goals, sir. It is not wrong. It is ability. If you get knowledge, You will grow your life day by day, day by day. I told you again, I am telling again, I am not against native language. But if you have a big achievement, suppose that you are businessman, you have glossy soap, it is okay. You can talk native language, but you want to sell abroad goods. Sometimes your customer come from abroad, other country. So without English, how can sell there? Without English, how can explain there? Without English, how recognize other person, abroad person? So English is much important if you want become a big businessman. If you want a small work, if you want a small salary, if you want a local work, it is okay. You can become panchayat level, you can become a, a panchayat level, you can say, yeah, if you, I want to talk about politician. If you want become a big politician, there you have to talk English. If you want become mukhiya, nagar sevak, okay, panchayat samiti, it is okay. You can talk native language. No need to tear English because you have to talk native people, local people. But if you are prime minister, if you are grey minister, if you want to become a foreigner minister, there you have to talk English. So that's why I am saying that if you have a big achievement, if you have a big goal, you should learn speak English. English, if you learn English, no will go anything. No will go anything. Okay. But if you learn English, you can get lot of things. If you don't know English, will not go anything. Okay. If you know English, you can get lot of things. Okay. So English is a one skill you can say. English is a language. Okay. And global language. That's why I am forcing you. You should learn speak English. Everywhere, if you have big achievement, if suppose that you are how can become bank manager? You are bank worker, it is okay. But you can't without English you can't become bank manager. So that's why guys I'm telling if you have a good big achievement, if you have a big goal, so you should start to learn speak English today. And second, guys, I want to say you, I want to inform you, I am 50 years. You know, I am 50. I did class 6 only, Hindi medium. I did class 6 Hindi medium. But I am able to talk little bit. I can't say I am good speaker. I have a good knowledge. I am a fluent speaker. But I want become good. I want to get good knowledge. I want to achieve good big goal. So guys, that's why I am here. I spend time every day. So I want to say one point. I am 50. I haven't any big education, but I try to speak English. You are younger. You have good education. Why not you can learn speak English? English is not a big mountain. You are able to learn. You have ability. You can do everything because you are a younger. You have a good education. You should not wait good moment. You should start today. Gradually 100% you will be achieve every goal. But your foundation should be strong. If you want to learn speaking English, you have to talk every day. You have to consistent. Yeah, you should talk every day. You should write. You should listen. You should watch every day. But talking is most important. You should conversation every day. So guys, I'm telling that I'm beginner. I haven't more than knowledge. I haven't a lot education. So I make mistake. If I make mistake, please forgive me. Please apologize me because I want to give you. I want to give you some knowledge. I want to give message for my younger. You are able to everything. I am 50. After that, I can talk, I can try, I can achieve goal. Why not you can do that? You can do that everything. You have ability. Okay. But you are not consistent. If you spend only 30 minutes every day, then gradually you will be able to talk. Listen my point carefully. 100% you are able to everything. But you have to try. You have to hard work. You have to consistency. Without hard work, nothing happen. Listen my point carefully. Without hard work, nothing happen. You have to hard work. If you want achieve a big goal, you should try today, not tomorrow. I will do that tomorrow. I will start tomorrow. I will go tomorrow. It is bad thing. You should start today. Don't waste time because you haven't time. You are already 30 years, 25 years. Okay, you haven't time. Only 10 year, 20 year you have to do everything in it. So guys, don't waste time. You should try. You should watch my video every day. You should watch my video every day. If you watch my video, you can start with me. You can learn with me. You can talk with me. If you watch my video 100% you can learn easily. Okay guys, so allow me to go. If I am telling that again, if I make mistake, please forgive me, please apologize me. Don't forget my like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my video. Thank you so much.